This is the Kode Dot, and it's going to change the maker world forever. You see, a couple of years ago, a maker in Valencia kept running into the same problem. Every time he wanted to sit down and build something, half the day was gone before he even started. Wrong cables, drivers that never work, different modules that don't talk to each other, breadboard that looks like a bird's nest. He didn't like ideas, he lacked a tool that could keep up with them. So he did what any maker would do and decided to build it himself. He teamed up with a friend and together they started working, until they got this. A pocket-sized device with its own operating system, a touchscreen, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, speakers, sensors, GPIOs, and a ton of other things. You can even control hardware with AI, or save your projects as apps to use later. Basically, the all-in-one maker device, so that you can make anything, anywhere. Now they could simply have an idea and turn it into a real project without any friction. And given the response received by the maker community and over 15,000 backers on Kickstarter, it was clear that they weren't the only ones who needed something like it. And after a successful Kickstarter campaign, well, that's where the fun part begins. It was time to turn this prototype into a real thing. So the past month have been non-stop. They found the right manufacturers, started refining the design, added a ton of new features, and worked to make everything even better. Now the team has grown, and we've just gotten our first studio here in Valencia. And I can promise you we're working harder than ever, all to make sure this little device gets to the hands of every maker around the world.